In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code OneNote notebooks and sections in OneNote for Windows 10. Color coding is a powerful way to visually organize your notes, helping you quickly identify different projects, subjects, or categories at a glance. By the end of this tutorial, your notebooks will be vibrant, easy to navigate, and tailored to your workflow. To start, open the Microsoft OneNote app and navigate to the notebook you want to customize. Once the notebook is loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace where all your notebooks and sections are displayed. This is your central hub for managing your content, and knowing your layout will make the color coding process smoother. Locate the notebook you want to color code, and right-click on it to open the context menu. From the menu, select Properties. This opens the notebook's configuration settings, where you can adjust various options. Look for the Notebook Color field and click the drop-down menu next to it to reveal a palette of available colors. Browse through the colors and select the one that best represents the content or purpose of the notebook. Once you've made your selection, click OK to save your changes. You'll notice the notebook now displays in the chosen color, making it instantly recognizable among your other notebooks. Now, let's adjust the colors of individual sections. Right-click on the section you want to customize, and in the context menu, hover over Section Color. You'll see a selection of colors that you can use to visually organize that section. This is a great opportunity to create a system that works for you. You might want all related sections to share similar hues for consistency, or you could choose distinct colors for each section to make them stand out individually. Click the color you want, and the section will immediately update to reflect your choice. Repeat this process for any additional sections you want to color code, gradually creating a cohesive, visually appealing organizational system. By using this method, you can quickly scan your notebook and locate the information you need, making your digital workspace not only more attractive, but also much more efficient. Color coding your notebooks and sections is a simple yet effective strategy to keep your notes organized and easy to navigate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.